Hello everyone and welcome to my video on how to observe and accurately draw an eye. In this tutorial I will show you how to draw an eye using a 2B and a 4B pencil. I will also use a 2B mechanical pencil, but I'll let you know when I change that. I'll be using a mirror to observe my own eye. You could choose to do this as well, as it will help to improve your observational drawing skills. Right, let's begin. I'll start with a horizon line that's slightly curved, just so I can see how I'm planning this drawing. You'll also know that my first shapes are a lot lighter than the other shapes that I do later on in this tutorial. I've drawn my iris. It's slightly larger than my final drawing, and now I'm drawing the top lid, which curves around, and the base then sweeps just underneath the bottom of my iris to meet the tear duct. For my pupil, I'll draw a semicircle to start with, and now I'll draw that definite outline of my iris. Now we must remember that our eyeball is a watery surface, so there will be some reflections. Here I'm just indicating two areas that I can see in front of me where the light is reflecting the surface. Equally, within my tear duct, there will also be areas where it is completely white for this reflection. I'm building up a lot of tone within the iris using the 2B mechanical pencil so that I can get that clear and accurate areas where it is slightly darker. Remember, what I'm trying to do is make it appear 3D. So now I'll use a 4B pencil. This will help me to indicate those slightly darker areas. But remember, with your own drawing, you can switch between the 2B mechanical pencil and the 4B pencil so that you can achieve that variety of tone. It's so that, again, we're making this eye appear 3D. I've been using the 4B pencil to really add the areas of darkest tone, and you'll see that I'm actually adding that tone within the eyeball, which you would normally think would just be completely white. The reason there's tone there is because your lid is actually acting as a shade for your iris and your pupil. I'm also using my 2B ordinary pencil just to give a bit more depth to the tone that I'm adding within the iris and also that top lid. So now I'll switch back to using my 2B mechanical pencil, and I'll use this to draw my eyelashes. Your eyelashes tend to come away from the surface, so they're small curved lines. Make sure you look in the mirror and record these as accurately as possible for the bottom lid and also for the top lid. Now for the final stages of the eye, I will be adding and also removing some areas of tone. Don't be afraid to use your rubber, it is also one of your tools, because there will be areas that you will need to adjust overall. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll also find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook and Twitter.